Now that I got a kid, I got like a special hate for loud noises. And I can't blame it all on her. I don't like loud noises to begin with. Like, I don't like going out to most places that got music because I feel like the music is too loud. Like, if I have to yell to talk to people, it's like, I don't really want to be there. I get annoyed instantly. If I walk into somewhere and the music's too loud, I'm like, I got like 30 minutes here max, and then I'm going home. But that's neither here nor there. Now that I got a kid, though, my hate for loud noises, it's like after I lay her down for the night, and then all of a sudden the neighborhood want to come alive. Like, there's this dog on my street. I hate him, hate her. I don't know what they identify as, but I hate it so much because it's always barking at nighttime. And I'm like, why are you barking? Go in the house. That music at nighttime, ooh, man, I be ready to turn people power off. Just find their power line, just cut it, because it's like, why are you playing music at this time when my kid's asleep? Shut it.